The Butterfly and the Storm. Once upon a time, in a small, picturesque village nestled between majestic mountains and lush green fields, there lived a young girl named Maya. Maya was known for her kindness, her curiosity, and her love for butterflies. Every day after school, she would wander through the meadows, chasing the delicate creatures, marveling at their vibrant colors and graceful flights. One summer afternoon, as the sun began to dip behind the mountains, Maya spotted a butterfly unlike any she had ever seen. It had the most beautiful, iridescent wings that shimmered in the fading light. Mesmerized, she followed it deeper into the woods until she stumbled upon a hidden grove she had never seen before. In the center of the grove stood an ancient gnarled tree. Its branches stretched out like welcoming arms, and at its base there was a small sparkling pond. The butterfly fluttered around the tree before settling on one of its branches. Maya approached the tree and to her amazement heard a soft, gentle voice. "Hello, Maya," the voice said. Startled but not afraid, Maya replied, "Who are you?" "I'm the guardian of the grove," the voice answered. "You have a pure heart and you see beauty in the world around you. Because of this, I have a special message for you." Maya's eyes widened with curiosity. "What is the message?" The guardian's voice grew warmer. "Life is like the journey of a butterfly. There will be storms and the winds may toss you about. But remember, it is during these times that you grow the most. Just as the butterfly emerges stronger and more beautiful from its cocoon. So will you from your challenges?" Maya pondered the guardian's word as she made her way back home. The next day, a fierce storm rolled into the village. The winds howled and the rain poured down in torrents. The villagers were frightened, but Maya remembered the guardian's message. She decided to help in any way she could, comforting those who were scared and assisting in securing homes and belongings. When the storm finally passed, the village emerged stronger. The villagers had come together, supporting one another through the ordeal. Maya's kindness and bravery had inspired them all. Years passed, and Maya grew up to be wise, a compassionate leader in her community. She often shared the story of the guardian of the grove and the lessons she had learned. Whenever someone faced a difficult time, she reminded them that challenges are like the storm that helps the butterfly become stronger. And so, the village thrived, filled with people who knew that no matter how fierce the storm, they had the strength to emerge more beautiful and resilient, just like the butterfly. This story teaches us that challenges and difficulties are not meant to break us, but to help us grow stronger. Like Maya and her village, we can face our storms with courage and kindness, emerging better and more resilient on the other side.